Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge. Yes, by the end of next year, 2023, what are we expecting Shibadoge price to really increase? Remember, earlier Shibadoge was listed by Uniswap V2. That is where you can actually buy Shibadoge. But right now, you can actually buy Shibadoge token on IndoES, on BKEX. You can also buy Shibadoge token on Hotbit. Even X.com also listed Shibadoge earlier. And one thing important is that getting listed by top crypto exchanges is very important, because Shibadoge will start gaining more people coming in, more community. The market cap will keep increasing. Now, before the end of next year, what are we expecting? If at this stage Shibadoge have already gotten 3 new crypto exchanges have listed this coin, and now BKEX has really supporting Shibadoge, and they are dominating the Shibadoge trading volume. That is amazing to hear. Now, I believe before the end of next year, 2023, Shibadoge, if Shibadoge, let's say, gain more 1 or 2 top crypto exchanges listing this coin, before the end of next year, I believe Shibadoge can hit 1,000 to 3,000% increase in price. But if Shibadoge can gain 3 or 5 top crypto exchanges listing this coin, especially Get.io, Crypto.com, and Bank, which Shibadoge developers have actually said they will soon get listed by these 3 crypto exchanges. And also, if Shibadoge can start burning the circulating supply they have, I mean start destroying, Shibadoge definitely, I believe, is going to even hit about 5,000 to 100,000% increase in price before the end of next year. Because the truth is, people are going to rush Shibadoge. Many people believe this is the next Shiba Inu. Nobody wants to miss out again on Shibadoge, just like the way they missed out on Shiba Inu. Shibadoge is going to dominate the social media. Shibadoge is going to dominate the crypto world, and I believe for the end of next year, if they can start gaining more crypto exchanges listing Shibadoge and start destroying the circulating supply they have right now, this coin is going to be a bullish coin before the end of next year. I believe the holders will start making a lot of money. People even believe that Shibadoge can hit 1 million%. Some say it can hit 10 million% for the end of 2025. Well, the truth is, buying Shibadoge, holding Shibadoge is good, because anything can happen. Right now, if Shibadoge, if you invest just $20 or even $10 on Shibadoge, and this coin deletes between 5 to 6 zeros, already you are a millionaire in dollars. That is good to hear, right? Well, the truth is, those that invested in Shiba Inu earlier have really become millionaires. And even if you invested $20 on Shiba Inu earlier, 2020, you will have made about $13 million. So anything can happen. So I advise you buying and holding Shibadoge, and watch what will be happening. Is very good. But remember to invest what you can afford to lose, because this is crypto industry where anything can happen. Yeah. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.